So, dear student, today we'll be discussing about Stokes theorem. Okay, so which is very, very important. This can either come for a 6 marks, 7, 10, and it's a major question in any examination. Okay, so I'll help you out on how to get full marks in this. And this is considered difficult by a lot of students, and we will skip also. Because see, this is the, as you can zoom it here, yeah. Integral f dot dr is equal to double integral del cross f. Okay, let me just close this here. So this is where the most problem, well, evaluating integral of f dot dr. So my suggestion is always start from the RHS. Only do this double integral del cross f, which means the curl. Okay. So Stokes theorem is generally for a closed surface, like rectangle, square, and whatever it is. Okay. As you can see here in this question, f is equal to what? X square plus y square I minus 2xyj. X is equal to 0, x is equal to a, y is equal to 0, y is equal to b. Okay, so this is my a comma 0, correct? And what is this? This is my 0 comma b for the y-axis. So you have to plot these things. Very simple. Okay, you have to plot these things. Fine. Once you have plotted those things, then directly I will suggest you to start from the RHS. Okay, del cross f. So you put what is del dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Ijk. These first two rows will be constant. Correct. Now see the question. X square plus y square I and 2 minus 2xyj. Correct. There is no k cap. So that is 0. So substitute the same thing down also. Correct. Then you know how to find determinant, right? Plus minus plus. Correct. So you do that thing and you will get the answer. That's all. Okay. Yeah. So del cross f is done. Now coming to the divergence thing. You can find here clearly in the formula del cross f dot n cap dot ds. Then I do double integrate. Correct? Now dot n cap I have to do. After finding the curl, just do what? N cap. That is what vector? For I vector, we put dy dz. For j vector, we put dz dx. For k, which is missing x and y. Correct? So we multiply only with k. So we'll get what? Minus 4y dx dy. Then you put that in double integral. And then you put the limits. If you're integrating with respect to x first, what is the limit varying from? 0 to b and 0 to a. Okay. Y with respect to, what is this? With respect to y I am integrating. That's the reason y varies from where. In the question only it is given 0 to b. In the question itself, if you want, you can pause it and you can go. See here 0 to b. Okay. Y varies from 0 to b, x varies from 0 to a. Just put the limits. 0 to b and 0 to a. Then integrate it normally. Okay. Once you integrate normally, you will get the answer minus 2b square. You can pause the video and you can do it later. Then finally, once it is done, write down the full thing. Which one? F dot dr. Integral of f dot dr is equal to this same answer is equal to this. That's all. So normally the question will be evaluate. But even though if they give you verify, no, I would not recommend you to do this thing f dot dr. Okay, so I think one of my other Stokes theorem I have explained everything, but this part is really difficult for the students to do, and the teachers normally give the full mark even if you do this thing, the right hand part. Okay, So very easy for it. Let us do one more question. See here, S is the upper half of the sphere. X square plus y square plus z square. Okay, let me see this. Yeah. Or else we will go with this one. I think rectangle will be fine. Sphere, if it is coming in your exam, that time you do it. Or else we'll just do the rectangle. X is equal to plus or minus a. This y varies from 0 to b. Here also there is no k cap. So minus a to a, and what is it? 0 to b. Again go with the RHS curl you do. Del cross f. IJK, same thing you do. You get this, then multiply with n cap. Then multiply with what? N cap. N cap is what? Same thing, what I discussed. Then I'll be getting this minus 4y dx dy. Then integrate with respect to y. Y varies from 0 to b. X varies from minus a to plus a. In the previous question, it was 0 to a. Here it is minus a to plus a. And once you do the integration, you will get the answer. And always by heart the final answer. So you can pause this video also and then do it slowly. Okay, you can do these things slowly. And again, I repeat to you, no need to do the LHS. So suppose if a teacher is doing this in class for the LHS, so we should have a lot of patience, and then, yeah, if you're not getting it, then we will just keep the entire thing. Better than that, do the RHS. That will be fine. Okay, so I hope this class was useful for you, and I wish you all the best in getting full marks in the examination.